Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. It is not a good morning. It's 50 degrees and it's September. So I don't know where summer went. Jessica, where'd summer go? It's not over. It's never over. I know what you guys are thinking. Perfect. Another Kevin video vlog style pointing at things video. You're exactly correct, because today we're going to Cars and Coffee. Today we are doing something we haven't got the opportunity to do in a very long time. It's actually been 1 month since the last Cars and Coffee. But today, we're taking two AMGs, the D-Badge C43 and, of course, the W204 C63 that's in the garage. Ladies and gents, I'm excited for today because it's 8:30 in the morning. I love drinking coffee. Have a bit of a tummy ache because we had too many sodas yesterday. Parker's eating pizza at 8:30 in the morning. 8:30. This is Parker's car. Parker, tell us about it, please.
C450 2017. It's a twin turbo V6. Pushing about 375 horses. All-wheel drive, of course. The best part about it, this little carbon fiber that I haven't washed in forever.
Ooh, she's a dirty girl right now, but
she's dirty.
we're talking all about character at this Cars and Coffee because, hey, we're bringing two black Benzes. I'm excited for today. The cars are dirty. We've put a lot of highway miles on them in the last couple of days. Actually, Carson's we just hit with that next gen ceramic spray, which if you didn't hit that video already, link will be in the corner. That was a pretty good one, if I might boast myself. But without further ado, let's hit the road. I will actually be going in the 2020 Ford Escape with all sorts of safety and lane features. The old AMG, not so much. Both AMGs fired up this morning. Missed the cold start because I was inside, but ladies and gentlemen, have no fear. We're about to hop in the whip. Like I said, 2020 camera car, getting some rollers of the cars on the highway because we have about a 55-minute drive to our final destination, Aroma's Coffee in Traverse City, Michigan. Couldn't tell you what that was all about, but the Jeep is also going with us to Cars and Coffee. Let's hit wide angle. Forgot to mention that. Alex is driving. Now we're only waiting on the 63. Wienermobile is in sight. Oh my goodness gracious. I don't even think I mentioned that yet in this video, but yes, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile is gonna be at Cars and Coffee today. I literally see it right now and I'm so excited. We're gonna get up and close, get some of that wiener action for you guys. I know you're dying to see it because I am too. Oh my gosh. Look at that thing. Gosh, that just brings a smile to my teeth. What? Your old car's here?
Yeah.
There's no way.
I don't know
Where is it? That's actually hilarious. I want to see your old car. Oh, and in macro. What a turnout. This is the most people I've ever seen in Cars and Coffee. All right, Evan said he's in a blue car. All right, we got to see the wiener. Well, there she is.
Oh, that's Evan.
Evan.
He literally tied you.
Damn, boy, that paint is shiny. What's up, man?
How's it going, brother?
Howdy, howdy. That thing is nice. Holy cow.
Sick.
Yeah, this has the PPF on it, right?
Yeah, doors down.
Woo! Hype, man. All right, we'll see you in there. Carson saw
Go get a picture.
the old girl. Where's your car?
Down there by the S.
You should park it right next to it. That's hilarious. Carson's old car is there. There's a trowel in front of it. No. Dude, Lambo doors on the Wienermobile. I gotta get a good thumbnail shot. Maybe right there. I don't know. Oh, wow. Okay. So let's see what's new. New headlights. Like completely new headlights. We got some new wheels. Let's hit the wide angle so we can see everything. Okay.
Go to sticker, or does he go to Central too?
No, that's mine.
Carson's parking permit sticker. That's funny. Really?
Yeah, that's my license plate.
That is literally your
I
old
never took
license
my
plate.
license plate off.
Okay, so it looks like some plasti dipped emblems. Tinted tail. Oh, new taillights.
Yeah.
The LCI taillights or like just aftermarket ones? I don't know.
License plate.
Okay. That's sick.
Yeah, I'm gonna ask you. Is this new?
Tint's the same. Very cool. Ruh-roh. That sounds like trouble. Carson's old car at Cars and Coffee. That is fun. I'm spending all that time looking at Carson's car. I didn't even see this thing. Holy moly. Holy moly. Carson had to park next to the big yellow beast over here. Beautiful day for some coffee and some cars.
In the back too, in the back seat, it's covered by something else.
The Mini S. Phenomenal. I love that. This is a beautiful spec. 1 of 60, somebody said? Where? It's a little slower than mine. Quite a bit, actually. Cool S5 though. If somebody in the comments can tell me what kind of BMW this is, I'd be really appreciative because I have no idea. Steering wheel, emblems. Last time we had the hood popped and there's a BMW engine in there. Somebody just said it's a 5 Series. That's nuts. Wow. Look at those tires. The lean. Oh my. Look at the absolute girth on that. It's got double wangs. Look at that. Wow. Look at that spoiler there. Wow. Bye, Carson. Absolute beauties out today, ladies and gentlemen. There were actually a ton of people this time around at Carson Coffee. Beautiful morning. But we're going to get some food, I believe. It's big time food time, ladies and gents. Cars and Coffee was cool, as it always is. Huge turnout today. Very nice. But I'm starving.